wrong? Is there a problem? Did anything happen while I was away? Why are you keeping quiet? Papa, tell me, what is wrong? What happened?
Biamaka, look.
What? I don't understand.
The mothers, the oldest mothers, the messengers of Amagu's deity, they were here a while ago.
Those witches that has refused to die. What did they come for?
They came in search of the next sorceress.
The next sorceress? What has that got to do with us? It doesn't concern us. We don't have any business with them. Is that why Mama is crying?
My daughter, I'm sorry.
How? Papa, what is... Wait. Oh, no, no, no! No, Mama. This is a joke. This is a joke, right? Papa, this is a joke!
I wish it is. Unfortunately...
No! No! This is not happening! I mean, this will never happen! No! 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 I will not be anything! I will not! No! It will never happen. No! No! How? No! I can't! I can't! No! Never!
My daughter, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that the gods have chosen you to be the next sorceress of Amango Kingdom. I'm sorry.
Sorry? Father, did you just say you're sorry? Sorry that some bunch of old witches walked into my father's compound and proclaimed me the next sorceress, and you're telling me sorry? Father, what am I supposed to do with sorry? Answer me! Sorry that I will be confined to the shrine for the rest of my life. Sorry that I cannot be able to get married and give you grandchildren like you've always wanted. Why are you telling me sorry? You are my father. You should stand up and behave like one. You're telling me sorry. Father, there are so many maidens in this community who will take this opportunity. I am certainly not the one. I am not the one. I cannot be the next sorceress of Umagu Kingdom. I cannot. I will not. Ah. No.
Biamaka, my daughter, I share your pain. I really would want to carry my grandchildren. Unfortunately, in this case, you don't have any choice. You don't, because once the gods have spoken, there's nothing we can do.
And who says I do not have a choice? Father, it's my life you're talking about here. And I have every choice to decline this offer. Father, I can never be the next sorceress of Amagu Kingdom. I cannot! I mean, I will not! Never!
So fearful, Tomelo, Onyembulo Biana, Fanano love mo, Rapomuno Bimbawa, Ebesiama Quano Querum, Velum Didino Pere, Oweluko Siafo, Fanalo love mo, Ibeba Quano Pere, Velum Didino Pere, Oweluko Siafo, Analomo love mo. Quando quereque, quello di no quereque, come lo cosiafo, analomo love. Josie befayano, obulo bemo. Josie nke fayewe, obulo ngemo. So faithful tomelo, onyembulo biana. Fanano mo love mo, rapo mo no bimbawa. Ebesia ma kwano kwero, velu ndidi no kwerekwe, onwelo kosiafo. Fanano mo love mo. Ibeba kwano kwerekwe, velu ndidi no kwerekwe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mo love mo. Ibeba kwano kwerekwe, velu ndidi no kwerekwe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mo love mo. Ibeba kwano kwerekwe, velu ndidi no kwerekwe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mo love mo. Ibeba kwano kwerekwe, velu ndidi no kwerekwe, onwelo kosiafo.
Ifunanya mo, imo, bimo, ifunanya mo.
Imo.
Sogi kamganado. Ifunanya
Sogi Kanganado.
You don't have the voice.
Sogi Kanganado.
You do not have the voice.
Sogi
Who can fly it on Peggy?
Hmm?
Who can fly it on Peggy?
Just jiggy.
I know.
No, just any dance, yeah?
Okay.
Shake it for me.
I don't know how to. Don't please here.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see my friend.
Asubike, where are you coming from at this time of the night?
Mama, I just said I went to see my friend.
Your friends or your sinful partner. Asubike, you think I did not see you with that girl frolicking in that bush? You think so? I saw you with my eyes.
Asubike, why?
Now listen. Let today be the first and the last time I will see you with that idiot.
Papa, I'm sorry to say this, but that is not possible. She's the love of my life.
She is a deceiver. Which maiden will take a man into the bush for unruly act like that idiot called Obiamaka?
Papa, you're taking this all wrong. We just went in there to talk. Nothing serious. You're just taking it too wrong, please. It's not...
Let me not see you again with her. Ekucham. Our son, he is stepping on a dangerous ground. We had an agreement when he was born. Now he is deviating from it because of his entanglement with that idiot girl called Obiamaka.
No. What do we do?
We have to do everything humanly possible to disengage two of them. That is the only way.
Now you do whatever you want to do. Take whatever decision you want to take. You know I'm always standing behind you. Huh? I'm always behind you. This night is too long for us to be deliberating on the Azubike's issue. Let's go inside. What's the meaning of that laugh? Stop it.
Let's go inside.
Just here before Yana, Obulu Bemo. Oh, I just yank fire with Obulu Gemo. So free food on Melo, Onyambulo Biana. Fanano love mo, Rapomuno Bimbawa. Ebesiama Quano Perum, Velum Didi no Pere, Owelo Cosiafo, Fanalo love mo. Ibeba Quano Pere, Velum Didi no Pere, Owelo Cosiafo, Analomo love mo. Ibeba Quano Pere, Velum Didi no Pere, Owelo Cosiafo, Analomo love mo. Ibeba Quano Pere, Velum Didi no Pere, Owelo Cosiafo, Analomo love mo. Ibeba Quano Pere, Velum Didi no Pere, Owelo Cosiafo, Analomo love mo.
Talk to me, what is it? I have been chosen to be the next sorceress of this community. That is impossible. They say only virgins become sorcerers. And you are not a virgin in this community. I'm still a virgin. Akwugo, you are lying to me. Why should I lie to you? You said you were going to give it to Azubike the other day. Have you forgotten? I told you I was going to do that, but I never did. I never had the opportunity to.
Who else, if not my soulmate?
You have your way with words, my love. I'm sorry if I kept you waiting.
It's okay. You're so beautiful.
Thank you. And you are so handsome.
Actually, the morning will never be complete without you. Because of the sun rays that shines through you.
You're making my head big.
Oh, but that's true. No sunrise except my baby's here.
Thank you,
Happy
babe. Today is a special day for us. Today, I want to give you everything. Everything. We have to go.
Are you sure we should go like that?
We have to. Someone is here. Let's go. That was how we never had the chance, even after that day.
Are you saying the gods may be responsible for the distractions?
I am not saying anything, Akwugo. I'm so bitter now. What wrong have I done? I cannot be the next sorceress. This whole thing is all false. I can never be the next sorceress of this community. I cannot. I'm a young maiden. I have a life to live. A life filled with a genuine love. How can I throw all that away and be confined to the shrine for the rest of my life? Why me? Why should I be the one to be chosen of all the young maidens in this community? Why?
But Obiamaka, they say It's an honor to be chosen by the gods.
Akugo, do not ever tell me something like that again. It is nothing good. It's a curse. And I will never be part of this. Excuse me. Akugo.
Gods are wise. Thank you, gods of our land. Thank you for paving way for me. You knew all along that Azubike belonged to me, which is why you took Obiamaka away. Thank you, gods of my father. Thank you very much. Obiamaka. Let me see how you will marry him from the shrine. Yes. Let me see how you will marry him from the shrine. Hey. Azubike. Nwoke bụ sọ mma. Afụ dị mkpa afụ ogologo imi ya. N'egonu ka o si enwu ka anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Hey! I knew all along that we are destined to live together. I knew it. Don't worry about Obiamaka. I will show you greater love than you ever received from her. Don't worry. Nga akwa gị ka, nga apa gị ka akwa. Hey! Chimuchi.
But did she agree to serve the gods?
Does she have a choice? But Mama, are the gods not making mistakes?
Okay, will you shut up your mouth?
No, Mama. Why on earth would the gods choose a young girl? Instead of an old woman?
Mama, she's right. Yes. The gods should have chosen an old woman as a sorceress instead of a young girl that has a bright future.
I can see you both are now growing wings. This discussion is over. Let's change the topic. Or better say, in fact, just get out of my side. Get inside, that's what I mean. Get inside. I don't blame you. I've started discussing with you people up here. I ain't back on.
It's not like that. Just that this village, I don't...
I can give a job. In the open account.
Sister, are you afraid?
I don't understand. Afraid of what?
Obiamaka, of course.
Why should I be afraid of her?
Maybe when she becomes the sorceress, she might turn up against you. You think so? Yes. That is what I'm thinking.
The gods are wise.
The gods are wise.
Let them be wise.
I still consider myself as your friend, even though you now see me as an enemy.
Please, say whatever it is you have come here to say and leave. Please!
Obiamaka, I just want you to know that whatever Akugo told you is not true. They are all lies. Well, I came here because I heard what happened. You're still a young girl with a bright future. Do not make a mistake by accepting to serve the gods. Yes. Why would the gods choose you in the first place? They should have looked for an old woman, not a young girl like you. Obiamaka, you are my friend, and I will tell you the truth. Since I heard this news, I have not been happy. Yes. Please try everything possible to decline their offer. You can't just serve the gods.
I never believed something like this would ever come from you. You were a good person. Really?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, I want to also use this medium and apologize to you for the embarrassment I gave you the other day.
It's okay. Moreover, I know you're fighting for what is yours. Even though the message Akugo told you wasn't true. They are all lies.
Thank you very much. What do you think I can actually do to decline this offer?
I don't want to be a priestess. This is the only thing that has been giving me sleepless nights. I don't want to be. I can't be a sorceress. I don't want to be. Please.
What can I do?
Do you want my candid advice?
Yes, now.
Okay. Run away from this village if they didn't see you. Yes. If they didn't see you, they will choose another person. Oh, please. Do not say I told you.
Never. Please. Never. I'll think about it. Thank you.
Oh, alright. I think she has a point.
Also.
My daughter Obiamaka, there is nothing you can do about this. No matter what you do, you cannot run away from this task. Once the gods have chosen someone, they don't reverse their words. So please.
There is no way she can serve the gods. She's the only sister I have.
I said shut up. What do you know? Shut your mouth!
No, Mama, I can't. Sister, please. There is no way you can accept that. Don't ever accept that. You're too young for that kind of rubbish.
I know. I said shut your mouth. What do you know?
Ezebwilo, which kind of dangerous advice are you giving here? Are you inviting the wrath of the gods on you?
I don't care, Papa. The gods are not being fair.
I said shut your mouth! You're
Ezebwilo,
getting on my nerves. I will hit you.
you don't have to stress yourself.
I will never serve the gods. They can come and kill me if they want. I won't serve them.
Obiamaka, my daughter, you are still talking like a kid. Eh? Look, the gods will not kill you because they've chosen you. You are their own.
Sister.
But look at me. Your mother and your brother. They can decide to kill us because of your refusal. So please.
Sister, don't be deceived. I would suggest you run away from this village. Probably when the gods have chosen someone else, you can come back to us.
Go. Will you shut up there? What kind of advice are you giving her? Huh? How can you advise her to run away? Hey, that's the dangerous. Don't listen to him.
Papa, nothing will happen. You are sounding as if you're scared.
Yes, I'm scared.
I guess this meeting is ended.
Yes, it is. But go and prepare. The gods have spoken. There's nothing any of it.
My sister.
You are not losing anybody.
Is she going to them?
I mean, get out from here. Stubborn good. What happened to you?
I'm fine, I'm okay.
You're fine and you screamed?
Yeah, I'm sorry, it's just the wind. I'm fine.
Wind.
It's just the wind. And you screamed.
Mama, don't worry, I'm fine, I'm okay. I don't know what it is.
What's wrong with him? Nai, what do you think?
Mama, what is it? Look at my body. Take a look at this. What is this, Mama? I just woke up this morning and I saw all of this on my body.
What is this?
I don't know.
Did they eat you?
No, it just comes out. Mama, what is this?
Isabel, I don't know. But don't worry, okay? I'll get some herbs, squeeze and apply on them. They'll all clear, right?
Mama, I'm scared.
What is scaring you? It's nothing. It's nothing. Let me see your stomach.
Take a look at my body. Everywhere. Mama, I'm scared.
Don't worry. Let's go inside, alright? It's nothing.
Obiamaka, I want you to be strong. Nothing will happen to me. I believe the gods wants to threaten us.
Do not worry, Ezeligo. I will be strong. I believe so much in my heart that nothing will happen to you. I cannot lose you, please. I can't lose you.
Ezeligo, how are you doing today?
Apogo, as you can see, I'm getting better.
Sorry, oh? You will be fine. Oh?
Thank you.
Obiamaka, are you alright? Eh?
How can I be alright? You can see that my brother is unwell. How am I supposed to be alright? Tell me.
Obiamaka, you sit here and watch your only brother to die. You are wicked.
How can you say such a thing? How can I possibly want my own brother to die? Please, don't worsen the situation for me. I can't want my only brother dead. I can't do that. Please.
Look at you. What are you even saying? Look at you.
Akugo. Akugo.
Akugo, nothing will happen to me.
I'm sure you heard him. He has full faith in the gods. He just said that nothing will happen to him. And nothing will happen to him. Please. Abena meron kia the worst. Biko.
Obiamaka, if anything happens to your brother, they will force you. Even now, as it stands, they might force you. So I suggest you run away from this village. Yes. If they look for you and they couldn't find you, they will choose someone else.
Obiamaka, you're my friend. I don't want you to become a sorceress.
It's a very difficult decision to take. Very difficult. But I'll try.
Thank you so much for everything you've ever done for me. And I'm sorry for ever treating you bad.
It's okay. It's in the past now. Obiamaka, I'll be praying for you, okay?
I need your prayers. I will also pray for you too.
It's alright. Mama, there's something I don't understand.
What is it?
Why did you ask us not to cry? And I noticed that Obiamaka's parents did not even cry. Why?
Because he was killed by the gods.
Mama, Are you saying that if someone is killed by the gods, no one cries for the person?
Yes, it's our tradition.
So what would happen if someone cried?
Death. The gods will kill the person. Even his corpse will not be buried.
So, what will happen to the person's corpse?
They will carry the corpse to the gods.
Mama, this is Obiamaka's fault. Yes, it is her fault. If Obiamaka had accepted to serve the gods, that boy wouldn't have died.
And if she doesn't come out, somebody else will die. Soon.
Mama, why? That is wrong. Innocent ones? Mama, why? Why is it so? Why?
The ways of the gods are not the ways of men. Oh, Nnem, please warm the food for me. Oh?
Okay.
When you refuse to please the gods, you will be in trouble. Hello, Melo, hello, Melo, hello, Melo. Okola kijiji nada mi peneso suanani. Nekwa no sukodo. Nekwa no sue, nekwa no sukodo. Gods of our land, I present this corpse to you. Tarumu! 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 Papa? Mama? Mama?
Owa josie befayana obulu bemo. Owa josie nke fayewe obulu ngemo. So fifu tomelo onye mbulo biana. Fanano mulovo mo rapo muno bimbawa. Ebesia makwano kwero velu ndidino.
Obo, this is the set time for Obiamaka to be christened. The gods await her arrival.
Obiamaka! Obiamaka! No. She's not responding.
Then go inside and wake her up. Go and call her. What is it?
She's not in her room and all her clothes are not there either.
Where could she have gone to at this time of the night? Where did they go?
Wise one, what do we do?
The future of our Magu kingdom lies on her shoulders. She must be brought back for christening, else there will be grave consequences.
And I will do everything possible to make sure she comes back to this kingdom. She will be brought back. It is a promise. Where could she possibly be?
I don't know. No one saw this coming.
The gods will forsake us if she is not found.
Your Majesty, I know that the only relative the father has lives in Amege. Probably she could have gone there to hide. I will suggest we summon the father here for questioning, or alternatively, we send the guards to Amege to look for her.
I think I will just send the guards straight to Amege to fetch her.
My dear friends, it baffles me that Obiamaka will run away from this village just because she don't want to serve the gods.
Honestly, I am surprised.
Do we blame her? Every woman's dream is to get married to a rich hunter or a wealthy farmer. Obiamaka must have thought of getting married someday before they forced her to become our next success.
I know, but it is often said that the gods owns us and they decide what they do with us.
Ogonna, if you are to be her, would you leave Ikemba to serve the gods?
Yes, answer the question. Will you leave such handsome man to serve the gods?
Wait, I don't understand. Is that your wish for me?
No.
Is that what both of you are wishing for me?
No.
So stop it, stop.
We are just asking you.
Don't ask, please.
Okay.
You don't play with such things.
Okay.
My dear, the story you told us is a touching one. How could your parents force you to marry an old man just to pay up his debts to the man?
I still cannot explain why my own father was so mean to me, wanting to sell me off to a man who is even older than he is, just because he wants to pay his debts.
My dear, it's all right. Don't cry. Everything will be fine.
Please, can I ask for a favor?
Please, my daughter, go ahead.
I'm ready to do anything for you. I'm ready to wash. I'm ready to farm for you. I'm ready to cook. Please. All I need is a shelter over my head. If I can stay here, at least for the time being. I do not want to go back to my village. I do not want to marry such an old man. Please. Bikono.
My dear, we welcome you here. You can stay as much, as long as you want.
Hi.
Feel free. My wife will take very good care of you.
Thank you, my husband. Let's go inside.
Oh God, God bless you.
When will you stop crying, Obiamaka? Everything will be fine. Let's just hope that old man dies before you go back to your parents. Maybe then you have the opportunity to marry that man of your dreams. Okay, so stop crying.
What if the love of my life gets married to another woman before the old man dies?
Say that.
Why will I not say it? Why? I wish I listened to the love of my life and gotten married to him before this whole thing happened. I wish.
My dear, this is not the time to apportion blames. Everything will be alright.
It's not as easy as you think. It's not as easy.
Ijoma.
Have faith.
I miss my parents.
Ijoma, take her inside so that she can take her bath and change her clothes. When I was in mad cage at Kugo. What a poor girl.
My love, I'm so sorry things happened the way it did. But it won't be long before I come back to you and marry you. And we will live and grow old together. I have a birthmark inside my heart, and you are that birthmark. Sleep well wherever you are, my love.
Listen to me, please. Help me. You can help me. How can I possibly kill the 2 people that gave me shelter? I can't do that. I did not kill them. Please.
Young lady, this is order from the king. And we cannot disobey our king. We must drown you to
Oh, because you don't drown me. I have not done anything. No, because no, I'm Caesar. Please don't do this to me. I beg.
Oh, I just hear the fire. Oh, below bemo. Oh, I just yank fire with a bulungemo. So free food on melo. Oh, Nyambulo Biana. Fanano Mulo for more. Rapomuno Bimbawa. Ebesia Mapano Perum. Velum didi no perepe. Oh, Weluko Siafo. Fanano Mulo for more. Ibeba Quano Perepe. Velum didi no perepe.
She's not okay. I have a feeling that she's not okay.
My love, are you okay?
My brother, this world is wicked. It is how Ikenna and his wife lost their life.
This life is extremely wicked, so no one can render help anymore.
To help a stranger is now something else.
Thank the gods of our land that our king took the right decision. If not,
yes, such a soul deserves to die.
And I believe by now fishes must have been doing some injustice to our wicked body.
Yes, that's that right.
Igwe, please do something. Our children are dying.
Igwe, do something. Igwe, do something.
Servants of the gods, you are welcome. I sent for you to appeal to you to help our children, lest they die.
I cannot heal them. Only the sorceress has the powers from the gods to heal them. The mantle awaits her, And until she accepts it, Amago will continue to be played.
O gods of our ancestors, what do I do? Obiamaka is nowhere to be found. The people are suffering for her stubbornness, and the kingdom of my forefathers is about to collapse under my watch. I wish the gods can make another choice. What if she doesn't come back? Is this how we will continue to suffer?
She's back. She's back. Obiamaka, your daughter. She's back.
My daughter?
Yes.
Where did you see her?
Along the road. I will show you.
Hey!
This way.
Hey! Hey, Chimo. I have been chosen by the gods to stand between you and them. They have promised that as long as you remain faithful to them, you shall continue to eat the fat of this land. They also bring warning to you, warning of impending doom, should you fail to carry out all their wishes.